Ready to go up, buddy? Go on. Jeez. Alright guys, you gotta hear this. It sounds so weird. What's up guys, Tanner with another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And in this one, I'm gonna be going over some things that influencers probably won't tell you. Some of them will, but most of them won't. And before we get into this video, I just want to give you guys two quick updates. So right there, as you can see, those Snapchat spectacles, I just gave those away off on my Instagram. So make sure you guys are following me because I'm always going to be doing different giveaways, whether it's cash, an iPhone, the Snapchat glasses, whatever. I'm always going to be doing some kind of different giveaway here and there. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. And the second update I have is that my $0 to over $1,000 a day within a week series is going to be opening on Friday. And yes, it is going to be a paid course, but I feel like if I offered it for free, then it wouldn't get as much attention as if I had it for a paid course, because I only want people that are actually serious to be in there and actually taking advantage of the opportunity that I'm providing. Because if I have too many people in there, then it's going to be oversaturated. So that's why I'm only keeping it open on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then I'm closing it because I only want serious people in there. Because a lot of people see things that are free as things that they don't really need to actually look at, take care of, and pay attention to. But if I offer this for a certain monetary value, then people that are actually serious about advancing their dropshipping career will go in there, spend the money, and make a lot more off of it. Because this course is a lot cheaper than a lot of other dropshipping courses, and I have the proven track record to show you guys that I have made money off of this, and I've helped other people make money off of this. So if you get into this course, it shows step by step everything I do from $0 to over $1,000 a day. And I'm not just showing how I set everything up, I actually show buying ads and making the money. So I'm showing you guys results. And it also has a bonus section, so there's always content being added in there. So if you have a specific question about the actual setting up process and buying ads, I will make a video on that and I'll add it to the bonus section. So value that is not on YouTube will be put on there. So if you don't have the money or you don't want to pay for this course, then that's completely fine. I still want you to support my YouTube. I still want to provide free content for you. So YouTube videos are still going to be going up all the time. Don't worry about that. Just because I have this course doesn't mean I'm taking all the time out of my YouTube and other stuff to put it into this course. I have put a lot of time and resources into this course to make it good. So that is why I'm actually offering this as a paid course. So that is going to be opening up on Friday. Whether you buy it or you don't, it doesn't matter to me. I just want those who are actually serious to get in there and take advantage of the opportunity, guys. So now let's get back into this video. We are going to be talking about some things that influencers don't tell you. So the first thing that I want to talk about is how much influencers are actually making compared to how many followers they lose from posting your shout out. So as you may know, a lot of influencers charge different rates, of course, because there's some small ones, some big ones. But the chances are that if you are an influencer that has 3 million followers or more, you're making almost 6 figures a year just off of selling ads. Not selling your own e-commerce ads, selling ads strictly to other businesses or consumers, as you could say. So if I'm going to buy an ad from them, I pay them $500 for this ad, then they post it, then it's just straight up cash for them. They may lose some followers from that shout out, but the chances are, if they're getting paid $500, they don't care that they're losing a few hundred followers or a couple thousand maybe, because that's what influencers do. They do this thing called shout out for shout out, where these other big accounts help each other gain followers and sort of build each other up. And depending on the theme page that you have, the niche you're in on your page, you'll gain more or you'll gain less. So these accounts that are posting a bunch of ads and making over 6 figures, then they're actually able to gain these followers back within a day, and they just make cash. So it's not even that hard to be an influencer. It's just building that account up to where it is. And once you're that big of an influencer, then you're able to make a lot of money easy. And then once you have your own e-commerce brands, you can promote it on your own page and make double what you already make. So there's a lot of opportunities as a big influencer. So my page doesn't even have 1 million followers yet. It has about 700 something thousand. So I actually haven't even put much time into that lately because I've been so focused on other things to help you guys. So I might start getting back into that again and growing it, because once you start getting to that high level followers where you have a couple million, then you're able to make a lot of money easy just selling ads. So now let's get into the second thing. These influencers aren't going to tell you if your ad sucks, because a lot of people when they first start buying ads, their ad sucks. And these big influencers, they aren't going to be telling you, oh, this ad sucks, this ad is good. They're just going to be like, okay, let's do it, because they want to make the sale. They want to make that cash. They don't care whether it's good or it's bad. They want to make the cash from you. They don't care if you make sales or not. They're just there to get the business from you, make the sale. But hopefully, if you get good sales, you'll buy from them again. So they hope that you get sales, but they don't really care about it. Because if they post your ad and then you get good sales, then they want you to buy again. but if you don't get good sales, then you're not gonna buy again probably. But they have all kinds of other people that are always coming to them to buy ads. So if you have over 1 million followers, you can actually make a lot of money with influencers. I mean, it all depends on what niche you're in, what kind of ads do you sell, because these influencers, if they sell too many ads, then their audience is gonna get oversaturated, they're gonna get annoyed, and the page is gonna become dead. So dead, not as in like physically dead, of course. It's just like the audience is inactive. They have a bunch of ghost followers because they have posted so many ads that all their active followers have just unfollowed or stopped looking at their posts because they posted so many ads. So you have to be careful as an influencer when you're posting these ads because you don't want to oversaturate them. So now the third thing I want to talk about is that these influencers aren't going to tell you if this is a good time or a bad time to post. So you may ask them, is 12 o'clock p.m. a good time to post? But they might just say yes because they want to make the sale, but honestly, they're not going to be like honest about what times are best because they want to have the big buyers buy at the good time so they make more and more money from these people that buy all the time. If you're just like a first time buyer, you're paying a small amount, maybe it's $100, $200, whatever it is, or some way less, it all depends, then they don't really care. They just want to make the sale, whether you're posting the ad at 2 a.m. or 8 a.m. It doesn't matter. They just want to make that sale and make the money. And this is just all the truth. You can still make money off of them. These aren't reasons why you should avoid influencers. This is just the truth of big influencers and sort of how they go. So now the last thing I want to talk about, the number 4 thing, is that they aren't going to tell you if your product sucks or not. So if you have this ad for a certain product and you think this product is good, you think the ad is good, they're not going to tell you if that product sucks. They don't know if your niche is good or not. They're not going to tell you because they honestly don't care. The main thing that I'm trying to tell you guys right now is that influencers don't care about anything except for making that sale from you, because they're not going to put a bunch of time and effort into helping you with this ad when really they have all these other people lined up that want to buy ads from them constantly. So the matter of the fact is that these influencers don't care about anything except for making the sale. Some are different and they actually care. They want to help you get the most out of your money, but most of them just want to negotiate quick, make the sale, post your ad, and then wait for you to buy again or whether you don't. It's all about making money for these influencers, and that's just the truth of it. It's not a bad thing. It's just how it goes. It's business. They try to keep it strictly business because they don't have enough time to go to every single person and say, oh, I don't think this product is good. Oh, I don't think this ad is good. You should post it this time, because they want to make the most money possible out of their page without oversaturating their audience. You honestly just have to really get over the fact of that and learn that if you're buying from an influencer, you don't make money off of it, they're not going to refund you because you bought an ad and they posted it. That's on you if your product isn't good, if your ad isn't good. That's not on the influencer, that's on you. So these influencers, really all they are is a platform where you're putting money in to try and make more money out. So you may make money off of it, you may not. It's basically a big gamble, it's a risk. You have to put risks in to make money. So you have to put in money to try and make more money. And once you find that perfect product or that perfect ad that works for you and makes money, you're able to put more and more money into these influencers and make more and more off of them, because that's the goal for a lot of people. You want to be able to put a certain amount of money in there and make a big return on it, a return on your investment, an ROI. You want to have a high percentage of your returns. So that's what it's all about. Influencers, those are some things that they aren't going to tell you, but some of them might here and there. But that's just the truth about influencers. They're straight up, they're straight to business, and that's what they're all about. They're just there to post your ad. They're not there to help you find the product and stuff like that. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to stay tuned for the course in 2 days. It's going to be crazy. Only open for 3 days. So guys, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.